How to create YouTube shorts with Pictory AI. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial I'll be showing you how you can easily create YouTube shorts with Pictory AI. So first just head over to your Pictory AI website, which is the official website, and once you're inside here just click on this get started for free. And before that, always make sure that you have already created your account. If you haven't already, just create your account just like this. You can also use your Google account as well. And once you successfully create your account, you will be heading over to its homepage just like this, and here you should see the text to video, which is the popular choice for creating any type of content using AI. So as you can see on my left section, there is an option to start generating an idea. So if you don't know how to create a text to video script, you can simply take the help of AI for that as well. So simply click on this start with an idea and just select the platform for like you want YouTube or for 30 seconds or how much you want the time, and simply choose the video type or what sort of topic you want. So let's say in this case I will be using a sports section, and simply click on generate script, and the AI will automatically generate the script for the niche you provided. And you can simply click on 9:16, which is the official format or aspect ratio for short format of videos, and simply click on this generate video option over here at the top right corner, and simply wait for a few seconds or a few minutes depending upon your video limit or video length. And here you can see there are different scenes. You can basically choose each of the scene and customize each of the scene with the different captions or different ideas of your own. You can even use different visuals for each scenes, but some of them are paid versions, so choose wisely. You can also even choose transition or add a transition just like this in the middle of video. So that is exactly how we do it. Once you do all of that, you can even download the video as well and share it with your friends. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.